Today in front of me I have Tecno Camon 18P, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. To begin with, I will point out that in order to execute the method that will be shown today, you have to know the password to the child's Google account, otherwise unfortunately it will not work for you. So with this out of the way, you need to open settings, then enter Google category. In here, let me show you that my parental controls are indeed active. So after that, tap on the manage your Google account blue button. Then once the account management page gets loaded, open data and privacy section, scroll the page all the way down and go for the delete your Google account option. Do not be afraid, right after we will switch off parental controls, we will also recover the Google account, so you will not lose it, do not worry. In here, let me quickly enter the password. Alrighty, next scroll the page all the way down, check these two boxes and tap on the delete account button. So in here you can get two types of messages. You can either get this one that says something went wrong, or the message that will very comprehensively confirm that the account deletion was successful. Both are fine, both pretty much identify that you did everything correct. So basically, as far as I'm concerned, parental controls should be already inactive. So here we do not have the account linked, as well as if I'll open up the parental controls page, as you can see they are indeed disabled. Now all that it's left to do is to restore Google account. You can do that by using it to sign into Google Play. So let me quickly enter the email address first. Next you'll get this account was recently deleted and maybe recoverable message that identifies that you did everything correct. After this message, let me quickly enter the password to the Google account. You might get the something went wrong message. That is completely fine. Basically, the account was successfully restored at this point. Let me just finish using it to sign into Play Store, so I'll give you the confirmation for that. So, enter password, and as you can see by the fact that we need to accept and turn on or turn off some of the Google services, the Google account has been successfully recovered. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.